Yeah, good evening. Today we are going to take a lecture series about clinical engineering subject in biomedical engineering. So, in the clinical engineering, the unit 1 is introduction about clinical engineering. So, clinical engineering is an insightful exploration in the world of clinical engineering. Its definitions and historical evaluation roles and responsibilities and functional significance in healthcare. So first of all, what is meant by clinical engineering? Clinical engineering represents the part of biomedical engineering focus on the main application of theories and methodologies of the broad biomedical engineering field to improve the quality of health services. So clinical engineering is also called as the biomedical engineer is a unique group of engineering professionals who have extensive exposure to various disciplines in clinical medicines and also involved in managing medical equipments in hospitals throughout its life cycle. So, where the definitions of the biomedical engineering and clinical engineering, so the difference between like biomedical engineering and clinical engineering. Biomedical engineering is solving the problems in biology and medicines using engineering methods and technology, like research and development in biomedical instrumentation. While as clinical engineering, so you are applying the application of engineering methods and technology to the safe and effective provision of healthcare. So now we are seeing the main outline and aspects of clinical engineering. So introduction to clinical engineering, definitions of clinical engineering, historical evaluation of clinical engineering, key roles of clinical engineering and core responsibilities of clinical engineering and functions of clinical engineering, importance of healthcare in clinical engineering and emerging trends and what are all the challenges and future trends in clinical engineering. Let's see the one by one. Now the introduction to clinical engineering. So already I said clinical engineering is a multidisciplinary field. It focuses on the application of engineering principles and technology in healthcare settings, and also it involves a design, development and implemented and a management of medical equipment and technology, ensuring their safe and effective use in patient care. So next move on to the definition of clinical engineering. So what is clinical engineering? So clinical engineering is a specialized field of engineering that focuses on the application of engineering principles and techniques to the delivery of healthcare. So this profession involves collaborating with the healthcare providers to ensure the safety, effectiveness and efficiency of medical devices and systems. So clinical engineers are essential in maintaining, managing and improving medical technology, ensuring that meets regulatory standards and helps to enhance the patient care. So the next we'll discuss about the key roles of clinical engineering. So what are all the key roles of the clinical engineering? So we have the list out the 5 ways. So the first one is the medical equipment management. So in this we have the responsibilities about the selection, installation, maintenance of the medical equipment in the hospital and to ensure the safety and efficiency in the healthcare settings. The second one is a patient safety assurance. So in this we can assess the continually assess and improve safety standards to related to the medical device technologies and used in patient care. The third one is the technical support and training. So technical support and training means the clinical engineer provide the essential technical support to medical staff, offering the training sessions and to effectively and the usage of medical devices. And the fourth one is regulatory compliance. So regulatory compliance means that means the medical devices related compliance regulations. So we need to follow the standards, guidelines and facilitating the audits and maintaining the documents on regulatory bodies. And the fifth one is R&D, that means research and development. So where clinical engineers participate in the R&D development activities to innovate and improve medical technology, contributing to advancements in healthcare systems. So the next one is a core responsibilities in the clinical engineering. So here the core responsibilities. So the first one is the equipment management, safety compliance, technical support, system integration, research and development. The same, so core responsibilities are same like key roles of the clinical engineering. So next one is the functions and services provided by the clinical engineer. So in this, equipment management, staff training and support, quality assurance and technical consultation. So the first one is the equipment management. So here, so the already we see the clinical engineers overall selection, maintenance, calibration of medical equipment to ensure its safety and effectiveness, right? So the second one is staff training and support. So in this, to provide the training sessions, healthcare staffs on a proper usage of maintenance, medical devices. So the quality assurance, the third one is, so we have to develop and implement the quality assurance procedures to assess the performance and reliability of the medical equipment. So this function is crucial in preventing equipment failure that could be endanger patient safety. The fourth one is a technical consultation. So the technical consultation for healthcare policies regarding new technology purchases, providing insightful on the best equipment on meets needs of the facility, which while optimizing the health delivery. So the next one is the importance of clinical engineering in healthcare. So in this, so importance, what are all the importance in clinical engineering in healthcare? So enhanced patient safety, cost efficiency, technology advancement, interdisciplinary collaboration and regulatory compliance. So enhanced patient safety. So in this we have very crucial role in ensuring the patient efficacy of medical devices. So then only we can minimizing the risk and malfunction that could harm patients. Cost efficiency. So cost efficiency by optimizing the utilization of maintenance of medical technologies. So then clinical engineer contribute to reducing the operational costs for healthcare facilities. And the third one is a technology advancement. Technology advancement is so we have to integrate the advanced technology. So then only you can update the day to day. You can access the latest innovations. So fourth one is the interdisciplinary collaboration. So in this we act as a bridge between the engineering world and healthcare providers. So fostering interdisciplinary collaboration. So we have to enhance the patient care through the technical support. And the last one is a regulatory compliance. Regulatory compliance can ensure clinical engineer as a clinical engineer can ensure that all medical technology comply with the regulatory standards, guidelines, protecting both patients and healthcare organizations from legal and financial precautions related to the non-compliance. So the next one is the emerging trends in clinical engineering. So the emerging, the vast, I have the trends in clinical engineering. So the first one is a telehealth integration, artificial and machine learning, robotics in surgery, cybersecurity measures and sustainability initiatives. So the first one, telehealth integration. Telehealth integration, we can telehealth services, the clinical engineer providing the telehealth services as expanding and enabling clinical engineers to design and implement remote monitoring systems. So the next one is the artificial intelligence and machine learning. So in this we have to use this incredibly utilized for predictive analytics in healthcare systems. So the third one is a robotic surgery. So the use of robotic systems is a surgical procedures is a revolutionary operating room requiring clinical engineers to maintain and optimize the machines. Next one is cyber security measures. In this, so healthcare becomes a more digitalized. So as a clinical engineer, implementing robust cyber security measures to protect patient data and medical devices from cyber threats. So the last one is the sustainability initiatives. Sustainability initiatives, there is a grow focus on sustainability. So in healthcare technologies and prompting clinical engineers to develop environmentally friendly practices and energy efficient medical devices. So the next one is the challenges faced by clinical engineer. So what are all the challenges we have to face? So rapid technological advancement, regulatory compliance, budget constraint, and interdisciplinary collaboration. So the next one is the future directions of clinical engineering. So in the future direction, so the first one is the integration of AI and ML and telemedicine and remote monitoring, sustainability in medical devices, cyber security in healthcare systems. So mainly, so these are all the future trends, future extractions of clinical engineering. So we have to integrate with the AL, ML. So with clinical engineer practice expected to enhance the diagnostic accuracy and improve this efficiency to predict the patient outcomes and streamline operational processes in the healthcare settings. So the second one is telemedicine and remote monitoring. So the rises of telemedicine and remote monitoring technologies. So transferring the patient data, allowing clinical engineers to develop and maintain advanced telehealth solutions. Right. So we can include the wearable devices in home health monitoring systems. Third one is the sustainability in medical devices. So in this, clinical engineering will play the prompting sustainable practices in the development and the life cycle management of the medical devices. So the fourth one is a cyber security in healthcare systems. As a technology developed, so as a healthcare technology continuously to advance, so the importance of cyber security becomes a paramount. So like a clinical engineer, we need to focus on developing protocols and systems for protect medical devices from potential cyber threats. So that's all about the introduction about the clinical engineering. So the next lecture series, we have the second unit.